Hello children, how are you all? Once again I welcome you all to your virtual class. This is your English class and I hope you all are enjoying your classes, and I have been teaching you alphabets and their sounds. And today I will be teaching you two new alphabets, how to write within the lines or within your in your copy, how to write those alphabets. You have four lines in your English copy, so I will be teaching you how to write those. You already recognize the objects, you already recognize the alphabets. Now we will learn how to write within the copy, okay, in your copy, within the lines. So but before that we will just quickly revise all the alphabets which we have done. So this is slant line and sleeping line. This is what? This is alphabet A. A for apple. This is A for apple. After A comes, yes, B. So how do you write B? Standing line, then semicircle, and then another semicircle. This has become B. B for ball. This is a ball. B for ball. After B comes C. C for what we have learned? C for cat. This is a cat. C for cat. And D for drum. Yes, this is G for drum. Yes. So A for apple, B for ball, C for, this is semicircle. We have can you see children? We have used all the strokes which we have learned. Okay. Before writing the alphabets, we learned the strokes. So now we are using all those strokes in our alphabet. So this is semicircle. This is D, standing line and semicircle. Okay. Then after D comes E, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. So this is E. E for envelope. E for envelope. We have learned it. Okay. So I hope you all are practicing in your copies, writing practice. Okay. At least after one page of writing in your fair copy, you should also be writing in your rough copy. Okay. E. After E comes, this is alphabet F. F for fish. Yes. This is a fish. And fish lives in water. Yes. Fish lives in water. This is water. Okay. After F comes G. G for semicircle, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. This is G. G for glass. In my last video, I taught you how to write G, alphabet G, in your copy within the lines. This is G. After G comes H. This is H for, this is standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Okay, first we drew two standing lines and we joined these two lines, parallel lines, with this sleeping line. So this is now H. This is H for hut. This is H for hut. Okay, till here we had already learned A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, C for cat, D for drum, E for envelope, F for fish, G for glass, and H for hut. Okay, and today now I will teach you what comes after H. Okay, so A for apple, what is the sound? Sound also I have taught. A for apple, A says A. B for ball, B says B. C for cat, C says K. D for dog, D for drum, D says D. E for envelope, E says A. F for fish, F says F. G for glass, G says G. H for horse, H says H. So these are the phonic sounds also of these alphabets. So after H comes Which alphabet comes after H? After H comes I. This is standing line, sleeping line and sleeping line. This has become what? I. I for ice cream. Yes, you children love to eat ice cream. This is an ice cream. Okay. So I for ice cream, and after I comes, yes, J. So you'll draw the sleeping line and you will draw standing line and make a curve like this. So it will become J. J for jug, or J for joker is also there. So we'll draw only jug. Okay. This is J for jug. Okay, children. So now we are going to learn these two alphabets, how to write within the 4 lines of your copy. So I say I for ice cream, I says E. The sound of I is E. And J for jug, J says J. The sound of J is J. J. Jug. Ice cream. Okay. So I will now quickly rub this and draw the line. In the meantime, you be ready with your English copies. Okay. English 1 copies. So children, ready? Okay, I have also drawn the lines. We will start writing in a copy. Okay, so first of all, we will write the date. Now, the date is today 14th of July. So we'll write here 14.7 means July. Year is 21. And this is your C W classwork. Okay. So now from the, you can see 4 lines, red line, blue line and then red line. So here are 4 lines, sorry, and we have to write within first 3 lines. Okay, so we start from the first line. So from the first line, what you have to do is draw a standing line from first line till the third line. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Till the third line, you are going to draw a standing line, and then come back to the first line, and then on this first line, you draw a small sleeping line, and then come to the third line, 1, 2, 3, come to the third line, and here also draw a small sleeping line. Now what has it become? It has become I. Yes, this is I for ice cream. This is ice cream. Let me draw an ice cream for you all. Yes. Today you go and eat ice cream. Okay. So this is an ice cream. Okay. So this is I for ice cream, and I says E. Next, again come to the next line. Again from the first line till the third line, you will draw a standing line or a straight line like this. Then on this first line, draw a sleeping line, small sleeping line, and on this third line, draw a small sleeping line. You are not going to draw line like this. This big line like this is wrong. Okay, if you draw like this, ma'am will cut it. Okay. So how are you going to draw? You are going to draw like this. From the first line till the third line, you will make a standing line. Okay, like this. Then come back to the first line, draw a small sleeping line. Again, come to the third line and draw a small sleeping line. This has become I for ice cream. Now, next alphabet which I taught you is after I comes J. J for jug. So, first I will draw a jug over here. This is a jug. Okay. So now we are going to write how we are going to see how this J we write. Okay. From the first line, we are going to draw a standing line like this. Come to the third line and make a curve like this and stop. Okay. Don't go till the second line. And on the first line, you are going to draw a sleeping line like this. Okay, this has become J for jug. J for jug, and J says J. J, jug. Again, come back to the first line. Okay, this next line, from the first line till the third line, you will draw a standing line and make a curve like this. And come back to the first line and draw a sleeping line. This has become J. Okay, once again watch here, standing line and a curve over here. Don't take your curve till the second line. This is wrong. Okay, if you draw like this is wrong. Okay, once again watch. From the first line till the third line, you'll draw a standing line and little curve like this and sleeping line on the first line. This has become J for jug. J for jug. I for ice cream and J for jug. So children, you're going to do this work very neatly in your copy. You can watch, you can see my work as I have written this neatly. Like this you are going to do this work. Okay children, so keep practicing at home. After writing in the fair copy, you are also going to practice in your rough copy also. Okay, so daily 2 pages, one in your fair copy and one in your rough copy. God bless you children.